Hi everyone, this is Gian, and today this topic is a new Earth is discovered. What will it be like? Now, the answer to such a question is obviously it will be a new Earth. It will be a planet with potential. We will have new plants, we will have oceans, rivers, habitats. I don't know if there will be any living animals or species on it, but apparently researchers are finding planets that look like Earth. Now, if we do find planets that is similar to Earth in terms of being able to sustain life on it, then our next question is obviously, how will it be? How will it be? Now, I'm going to take that question and I'm going to extend it into an imaginary world of imagine we went to this new planet that is like Earth. How will it be? When we arrive there, when we land on this new planet, when we touch the ground, we touch the soil, we touch the grass, we see the mountains, we see the skies, we see the oceans, we see the rivers. What will it be like? Well, the first thing it will be like is once we land on it, it will be political. It will become an economy. It will kind of become a colony. It will become a human settlement. It will become exactly the same as we have on Earth right now. Nothing will be different because human nature destroys everything it touches. That's currently the evidence of our one and only Earth that we're living on right now. So why are we looking for new planets when we cannot even take care of our Mother Earth that we have right now, that births lives for everyone, that gives life to everyone? Why are we bothered with spending billions of dollars on space exploration when we have not even explored this planet and when we have not even become an intelligent species that can live on this planet, one and equal with all life on this planet in a sustainable way? In fact, if we did live that way, we would have probably never bothered looking at other planets. But we are looking at other planets and people are excited about other planets because this planet is kind of fucked up. We made it like, you know, those pictures you see on Facebook where the Earth is laying in a hospital in bed with all the life support on it. We are right there now with this Earth. So I am now reaching out to everyone that is excited about finding new planets or moving to Mars or creating space colonies to realize that it will never be different than what it is right now here on Earth. In your household, in your relationship, at work where you are, wherever you are right now in this life, it will end up being exactly the same. Doesn't matter if you go to Mars or a new planet Earth or live in a space colony, it's going to end up being exactly the same. Because this Earth is our test. It is our planet. It's where we must plan it. It's where we must plan to become one, to stand in unity, where there isn't government separating everything, where there isn't borders separating everything, where there isn't inequality, where there isn't people starving to death, where there isn't wars. None of that must exist. Where there isn't animals going extinct or being on endangered lists, habitats being lost, our water being poisoned, our air being poisoned, our food being poisoned. All of this needs to first be perfected on this planet before we can ever have a real different new Earth. Because when humans look at a new different Earth, they already see humans living on it. They already see humans occupying it. And therefore we're already seeing the exact same as what we have right here, right now. We cannot have racial conflicts. We cannot have children malnourished. Because if we have these kind of situations right here on Earth right now, wherever we go, it might be cool for the first 10 years, first 20 years, but human nature is going to seep in and it's going to take over wherever we are. And we're just going to end up in the same boat. Doesn't matter if we all think a new planet means a new beginning, because we are not new. We are not brand new. We are not a new species. We have not evolved, in fact. So this is the first point that we all have to focus on is when we see researchers wasting our time, distracting us with posts. I see on my Facebook page so many posts, new planets, new discoveries, new drones sent somewhere else, new photos being received from this and this planet. It's all useless information if we have not even given water to every single human being on this planet, clean drinking water. So, what's the point of exploring if Mars has water? What's the point of exploring if there's a new planet that has the same environments as Earth? When we don't even know how to manage such environments or such resources in a responsible way as an actual intelligent species to benefit all life, one and equal. Because imagine now you're 1,000 people living in a space colony. You're going to end up with one or two of those people starving to death, and you're going to be okay with it because you're okay with it right now on Earth. It's going to be on a smaller scale, but the fact that it's part of our nature means we're okay with it. It means that we are fine with it. And that space colony is going to get bigger. It's going to be more people, more babies. It's going to grow. It's going to develop. And within that, negligence is going to take place, which is what we're doing to Earth. We're neglecting Earth. We're neglecting so many life forms on this planet. It's unbelievable. And not just neglecting it, but exploiting it and abusing it for self-interest needs. And this nature will find its roots wherever we go, whatever we find. So there is no escape from our own nature. And this is the topic I want to take on in relation to researchers finding new planets or new Earths and how it will be and all fairy tale like and all imaginary. We need to remove that idea from our minds, and we need to focus all the intelligent people here on Earth to fix Earth and not on how to find new planets and explore new planets. We're not ready for it yet, by a long shot. Our spaceships can be ready in 10 years, but we will not be ready in 10 years. We need to be ready and be real about ourselves and who we are as a species, as a collective. And then, once we've proven on this planet that we've evolved, that we are intelligent species that can take everything into consideration and create heaven, create the best possible outcome for all life through who we are, then we can go and take over planets, as many as we want. Then we can go and explore as many planets as we want. In fact, it will be easier then. Then it will be super cool because technology won't be withheld. We won't have to build stuff inferior. We won't have to be held back by money and funds. I mean, that's one of the biggest limitations our species have is money. We use money in a literal, limited way. Even when people die of starvation due to a natural disaster, money is a problem. Not the resources are there, but money is the problem. And that's also just an indication of where our species are, in fact, and how ready we are for a different Earth, which we aren't. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this opened up a new perspective for everyone watching. Please leave a comment if you have any perspectives or if you would like to discuss anything. And remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much. This is Gyan. I will see you later. Bye-bye.